I'm going on this pallet stuff if anyone wants to come with me. Oh, he ducked down. Alright, he's up, he's up. He's moving that way. There comes another one coming up this way. Put your head down.
This guy coming up. See him?
No. Yep. Crap, I don't think we have many. We should go down that way and guard.
Yeah. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look out, look out, look out!
Hey! Oh man, that hurt my butt.
How are things looking up that way?
Good so far. We saw a ton of them coming around this way. That's why we got someone in that building down there.
Yeah, what's up?
Hi, Condison.
I had a feeling.
How many people do we have over that way?
Yeah. No.
Hey, Justin.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go down to the last building there and guard that.
Yeah, Jesse, we'll totally get trapped if we go down to that building.
We gotta have someone down there, keep them off.
Alright, we'll go down to the trench.
Someone's moving up there.
What do you have him up with?
3. There's 3. Yeah, there's 3 now.
What's my leg?
Do you think we can safely get inside the building? That way we'll have cover from there?
Well, I don't got that little spring gun, so let's just shoot you.
AG, can you give a little covering fire? I'm gonna try to go get in the building. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ah! Yeah. Wait, I'll need cover to get out of here. I'm pinned.
Buddy, I haven't got that. Shoot me, shoot this gun, you're good.
Hey, Justin!
Oh, cut that stuff.
Hey, I need to get out of here, but we're pinned. No, don't take it apart.
Just run out, sprint. They can't hit you. Go for it. Run, sprint. Right, kid.
Alright, grab that. Get Where'd that grenade?
Right there's where the fire was.
On the ridge right behind us?
They think we're still in that building, that's why I ain't come up.
Well, I guess it's a good thing we went down there.
We do better right now. Let's put that on fire. Okay, what's going on this right here?
Okay, there's guys down there. They're going to try to left around. Be ready for them, okay?
Okay.
Right there. Don't be afraid. I need to push the windows, man.
Okay, get ready. I'm coming to ya.
Okay, I'll give you some quick fire.
Yeah.
Be careful, watch the way. Okay. Chelsea, get on the corner. You got automatic. Be ready to shoot that second barrier if he pops up. Come on. I see one.
Back in the, he's back there. There he is.
I know, but there's enemies on the other side of that fence. What's he hiding behind? That metal thing? I see him, I see him. Okay, got him.
Alright, move on. No, no,
I
just
thought
go.
he's the one that did it.
So that was it. Go. Let's go, move on. Okay.
I'll cover you guys.
I thought you guys did.
Look out!
Oh, whoa! Right there?
Where'd it come from?
Wow. Nick, no turning. No more turning. That was really close. I thought you barely made my head.
Well, at least you're alive.
Got a kill.
Yeah, take mine.
We're not really accomplishing anything though, just sitting around.
Take mine. Man, use your own gun.
Okay, I'm gonna move to that next building. Somebody give me some covering fire. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait.
Too late!
Too late!
Yeah. Go!
How many are there?
What?
How many are there?
I don't know. We saw a couple down that, about 3 down that way. That was a while ago. They haven't tried to come up yet. And there's people
Watch
on the
those
ridge.
Hajis. They just killed 2 guys.
Yeah, watch them. They're coming over here.
Hello, friend. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Very good. Very good today.
Yeah, I bet.
Very good today.
I've been better. Than's for asking.
Good. You want me to do something for you? Hey, Tristan. We do a special job for you.
We do you a favor.
We do so many favors.
Hey, this guy actually speaks to us.
Oh,
we cannot accuse you.
What can you do for me?
I want to blow somebody up.
Can you go pick up their flag and bring it over here?
No, we
It
cannot do
depends
that.
on how much you want
Hey,
to give them.
we cannot do that.
I got a stick of gum.
We can't help them on their objectives. We can only help take out immunity. That's kind of
So see. So what is anything but that?
Well, what will you do for a stick of gum?
What is this?
Oh, okay.
That's ammo.
What stick
Hey,
of
we need that.
You
We
give,
need
you
that.
give
You
us
give
something.
that.
We take King ammo. We take King ammo. No
we
one
take
gets
them
us.
out. They gone.
No.
Kill them.
A stick of gum's where it starts and where it ends.
Well, oh, you have anything to offer to the boy?
The Bible.
Oh no! Die! Die!
No.
Die!
Yeah.
Die!
You die too.
Die! Don't offer Bible.
Hey, we'll take a hostage. We'll take a hostage.
No.
Hey, he doesn't matter. He doesn't matter, dude.
You take him, I'll shoot. You can say whatever you want about the rules. You try to take him, I'll shoot.
Okay, let's calm down. Oh, we Haji, we cool with Haji?
We don't have to do business here. Go after.
Pleasure doing business with you. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Oh, cool. Okay.
You have my number.
No, wait, no. No. What is your phone number?
I'll give it to you later.
Watch out! You're dead!
No.
You're dead! You're dead! Go back to spawn.
You're dead. Go back to spawn.
That does not count.
Yeah, it does.
It's
It's a dummy grenade, you're dead.
Fine, whatever.
It has to actually be one that goes off. That one's already went off. Actually, that's mine. I threw it last week.
Let it build up, let it build up. It's not gonna go up, let it build up. Throw.
It's not.
That's a bird moving.
Well, you know, maybe they sent the bird as a distraction.
Yeah. Hey, World War I, there was this pigeon that won a medal.
That's the person right there.
It got shot several times, lost a leg and everything, but it saved these soldiers' lives that were pinned down.
Hey, there's two of them down at the end.
Down there?
Yeah. They're coming around.
Okay, boys, history lesson's over.